So super progress inside this week. We got about half the doors installed. The floor is now all finished and major walking paths covered with cardboard to protect them. And all of the cabinets have been moved to approximately where they go, and the entire kitchen cabinets have been installed. Wine bar is close to being done. And then we've got the cabinets in the great room. These two right here will be going there. And then the vanities and the lower level cabinets, that's what we're working on now. So yeah, really happy with the progress. The exterior chimney is still going. Hopefully we'll be done in the next couple days.